Hello everyone. Have you seen this vegetable? It's an onion. Scientific name is Allium cepa. So why should we discuss about this onion in the sense? This onion has special components which are beneficial for our health known as antioxidants. Generally in our body every cell must need oxygen, and the oxygen should be utilized by our cell for the production of ATP, energy currency of cell. Maybe different types of substances, they will disturb the oxygen utilization by the cells. So these disturbance is prevented by the special chemical components known as antioxidants. So by consuming this onion regularly in our diet, definitely we will improve the antioxidants in our body. So they will prevent the disturbance of oxygen disturbers, and cells easily will be utilized the oxygen for the production of ATP energy. Example, flavonoids and vitamin C and also vitamin E. These three are the unique antioxidants which are present in the food, whether they are vegetables or fruits. So these flavonoids and vitamin E, vitamin C make the cells proper utilization of the oxygen. Generally coming to the fruit juices, pomegranate juice is the best antioxidant juice. And coming to the red grapes than the green grapes, red grapes are the best antioxidant fruits. And also berries, blueberry, strawberry, blackberries, these all are highly rich in antioxidants. Among the all berry fruits, blackberry fruits are highly rich in antioxidants. And do you know one more thing? While chopping or cutting the onion, why we will get tears in our eyes? Let's see the scientific reason.
So, whenever we are chopping these onions, and sulfur liquid which is present in this onion in liquid state, this sulfur which is in a liquid state, whenever we are chopping, it is released out and evaporated in the form of a gas, and this sulfur gas enters into our eyes. So, whenever this sulfur gas enters into our eye feel like a burning sensation. So, to prevent this burning sensation, the lacrimal glands which are present in our eyes will release an tears. So, this is the reason whenever we are chopping these onions, so we get a tears. So, to prevent this burning sensation, our eye or lacrimal glands will release a tears.
So this is the scientific reason behind the chopping of onions and getting the tears from our eyes. And if we chew bubble gum or chewing gum while chopping the onions, definitely we won't get the tears because our mouth will be continuously functioning. So during opening of a mouth while chewing, the gas, sulfur gas, which is evaporated from the onions, enters into our mouth instead of entering into eyes, because automatically there is no burning sensation and there is no lacrimal glands secretion in the form of tears. And if we wear the helmet, definitely we can prevent the tears formation through our eyes.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everybody.